Aircraft AC systems operate on which of the following frequency? A. 4 Hz, B. 40 Hz, C. 400 Hz, D. 4000 Hz. The correct answer is 400 Hz. What is the full form of ARINC? A. Aeronautical Radio Incorporated, B. Aircraft Radio Incorporated, C. Aviation Radio Incorporated, D. Air Radio Incorporated. The correct answer is Aeronautical Radio Incorporated. The international standards for avionics equipment are prepared by A. Aircraft Electronic Engineering Committee, B. Airlines Electronic Engineering Committee, C. Aeronautical Electronic Engineering Committee, D. Aerospace Electronic Engineering Committee. The correct answer is Airlines Electronic Engineering Committee. What material is used for aircraft fuselage? A. Aluminum alloys, B. Titanium alloys, C. Silver alloys, D. Metal alloys. The correct answer is aluminum alloys. Which was the first commercial aircraft with 50% of its structure weight made of carbon fiber composite? A. Boeing 777, B. Boeing 787, C. Boeing 747, D. Airbus A380. The correct answer is Boeing 787. Which was the first widely produced general aviation aircraft manufactured with all composite construction? A. Boeing 787, B. Airbus A350, C. Cirrus SR-20, D. Bombardier CRJ-700. The correct answer is Cirrus SR-20. Which of the following is not true about an airframe made with carbon fiber composite? A. Decreases drag, B. Decreases thrust, C. Higher cabin pressurization, D. Higher wing aspect ratio. The correct answer is decreases thrust. Stabilizing tail is also known as A. Rudder, B. Empennage, C. Aileron, D. wingtip. The correct answer is empennage. Which of the following is not a manufacturer of aircraft avionics? A. Thales Group, B. Rockwell Collins, C. GE Aviation Systems, D. Mercedes-Benz. The correct answer is GE Aviation Systems. Which of the following is not a part of the airframe? A. Fuselage, B. Wing, C. Stabilizing tail, D. Landing gear. The correct answer is landing gear. Which of the following supports an aircraft on the ground? A. Rudder, B. Engines, C. Aileron, D. Landing gear. The correct answer is landing gear. Airframe of an aircraft is its structure. A. Electrical, B. Mechanical, C. Thermal, D. Hydraulic. The correct answer is mechanical. What do winglets do? A. Increase thrust, B. Reduce turbulence at the tips of an airplane's wings, C. Decrease thrust, D. Increase turbulence at the tips of an airplane's wings. The correct answer is reduce turbulence at the tips of an airplane's wings. Which of the following is not a retraction system for landing gear? A. Hydraulic retraction system, B. Thermal retraction system, C. Manual retraction system, D. Electrical retraction system. The correct answer is thermal retraction system. Why does the landing gear retract into the wings and/or fuselage during ight? A. To decrease drag, B. To increase airspeed, C. To decrease airspeed, D. To generate more thrust. The correct answer is to decrease drag. Landing gears are also known as A. Stabilizers, B. Empennage, C. Undercarriage, D. Aileron. The correct answer is undercarriage. The earliest aircraft were constructed primarily of A. Steel, B. Aluminum, C. Steel, D. Wood. The correct answer is wood. The fuselage of an aircraft contains the engines. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. Wings are responsible for creating lift. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true.